Hey you going guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to get your website to rank nationally with national SEO. So local SEO is really common at the moment, targeting local areas, and that's really good. Some businesses like my own, IP Media, want to target businesses in our country, or not country, our suburb or city, like Adelaide, where I'm from. But some businesses are going to want to target outside of their regions and go nationally. So let's jump into it. The first thing you want to do is start by doing some research. Jump into Google Keyword Planner. You can go there by going to Google Ads, and I recommend you Google your keyword locally and your keyword nationally to compare the results. So you can see here, one of my target keywords is Marketing Adelaide, and that gets 100 to 1,000 monthly searches. But Marketing Australia, which is a much bigger search term you'd think, still gets the same monthly searches. So potentially you go, oh, maybe it's not worth targeting Marketing Australia because it's not getting that much traffic and it's not going to provide the return on investment that you want. You can even see down here, some of the most popular search terms are related to local regions like Melbourne, Sydney, Perth. These are all getting really big average monthly searches. Another tool you can use is Answer the Public. Answer the Public gives you propositions and comparisons and general searches that people use when searching Google. So in this case, I put in Marketing Australia, and this gives you some really interesting stuff about what people are searching. I recommend you go into data to make it look a bit easier, and you can see some of the common things that people are searching for. One of the challenging things about SEO is that it's going to be quite hard to rank for the keyword Marketing Australia, but there are other things you can rank for, like how to do marketing in Australia, how to get into Marketing Australia, how to get a marketing job in Australia. These are similar keywords. They're going to help your website rank for this keyword as well, because SEO is holistic, so you need to approach it in a holistic sense. So using these questions can give you keywords you can target, which are going to relate back to this major keyword up here of Marketing Australia or Marketing USA or Marketing India, whatever it is you want to rank for this nationally. And finally, it's definitely worth looking into your Google Search Console and having a look at what you're already ranking for. So if I go have a look at my queries, you can see I'm ranking locally, which is really good. But you can see I'm not ranking for anything nationally. But if you are starting to rank for stuff nationally, which you potentially might be, you want to double down on these keywords and keep pushing it. So if I find in here that I'm ranking for Digital Marketing Australia, then I would want to keep using that keyword and keep pushing that keyword, because I'm already gaining some traction in that keyword. So it's going to be helpful and make the results come quicker if I push that keyword. Lastly, one final tip. Actually, let's do two final tips. An easy tip that you can achieve is by editing your website, editing your metadata information on your website, and simply changing your metadata titles and descriptions. So you can see in my meta title, I target Adelaide Digital Marketing Agency. You might want to change that to Australian Digital Marketing Agency or Australia-wide. Start to include words like that. It really is as simple as starting to include words like your country of choice to increase your national SEO strategy. Don't overthink it, and start to include more content on your website that says you're based out of Adelaide, but you service nationally. Start to include information like that on your website, because this will filter down into SEO and expand your reach. And one last final tip, I promise. If we go to Google Business, you want to adjust your listing location to be Australia-wide. So Google My Business is Google's online business directory, as a lot of us know. And a lot of us have our location set to a certain suburb or to a certain region. In this example, it's going to be good for you to set your location as Australia-wide. And you can do that simply by going in and updating your location. and selecting Australia or whatever country you have been choosing. I've just been saying Australia because it's where I'm from. I hope this video helped, guys. Teach you a little bit about national SEO. Have a great day. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye.